Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us right now, and we can see that this is the GBP JPY here, and 86% retail traders have taken short position, and only 13%, yes, only 13% traders have taken long position, or only 13% are thinking that market will be going up. And if we look at the overall shorting price, okay, you can see that average short price is 152.82. okay, and right now market is trading at 157. So 152 here, they have shorted the market here. This is the average price, and right now market is trading here. So you can clearly see that why retail traders lose money and how retail traders lose money, because we all know it very well that 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason is that whoever fails to follow the trend of the market fails to make money in the market. Okay, so my dear friends, please trade with proper analysis. Okay, and so let's jump to the chart of GBP JPY and try to understand what is going on here, because yesterday I took a buy position on GBP JPY. Okay, I thought that we will get a good buy or good up move when market made this candle. Okay, but I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong. Market did not move according to my expectation, and somehow I managed to escape with only 25-26 pips. Okay, and after the market fell, and somehow I was safe. Okay, but right now you must understand that things are quite complicated on the chart of GBP JPY, because see, overall if you look at the chart of GBP JPY, then you can see that overall the market is still in uptrend. The trend is very much strong on GBP JPY. The problem we are facing on GBP JPY is the level of 157.75. This blue line is a problem for the market, and it is not allowing the market to go up, and the reason is that this level belongs to the weekly chart. See, this is a weekly chart of GBP JPY, and you can see that after this huge candle last week, market is unable to cross this level here, and as a result price is being rejected from above. Yesterday I thought that market crossed the level, but yes, I was wrong and I managed to escape somehow. But right now we can see that there is price rejection from above, and things are quite complicated right now. Because why complicated? Okay, let me explain one by one, and listen to me carefully. As we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend, or in simple words, if a market is in uptrend, we should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Okay, and we can clearly see that GBP JPY is in uptrend right now, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. But on the other hand, as we can clearly see that market is standing at the weekly resistance, therefore whenever we face weekly support and resistance, then there is a possibility of a trend reversal. Okay, there is a possibility of trend reversal because weekly time frames are very strong. But here you can clearly see that though market is standing at the weekly resistance, market is still not going down. There is no sign of trend reversal till yet. See, market hit the weekly resistance here, but after that you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 candles. 12 candles, each candle is of 4 hours. 4 hours, so it means that 48 hours. Yes, market is standing at the resistance for 48 hours and still market is not going down, and we are not talking about any teeny tiny resistance. This is a resistance from the weekly chart. It means that buyers are still present in the market and they are giving a tough fight. This is the main reason market is not going down from the weekly resistance level as well, and this is happening for the last 48 hours. The battle is going on between the buyers and sellers for the last 48 hours. So if you do not have any current position on GBP JPY right now, then I'll say that please avoid GBP JPY. And if you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, if you cannot afford to take any risk right now, then my dear friends, listen to me, please do not trade on GBP JPY, because in my previous videos I told you that if it crosses the level of 157.75 level, you can go for buy after waiting for 4 to 6 hours. I did the same thing and I was trapped. Yes, I was trapped. So please do not make the same mistake right now what I did. So what should be a trading strategy then? You can see that first of all, I have made a bullish flag again. So I have made a bullish flag. Shamelessly I have made a bullish flag again. So if market breaks the line at the top, this line, and starts trading above the blue line here, I'm talking about a level of 157.75. okay, if market breaks the flag again and starts trading above the blue line, you can think about buying. Okay, but if you are a beginner, if you want to avoid, you can totally avoid. It's your call. Okay, at least I am not buying. Okay, honestly speaking, I am not buying after being trapped yesterday. So but what I'm saying, I'm just telling you, or I'm just sharing you the opportunity. If you want to go for buy, yes, you can go for buy. Just make sure that your stop loss should be below 156. Okay, if you can afford to keep a stop loss at 156 or 75-80 pips stop loss, then you can go for buy. Okay, and on the other hand, apart from this level opportunity, the second trading opportunity that I see on the chart of GBP JPY is the Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6% at 156 level. So in case market comes down and bounces from the Fibonacci level of 156, Fibonacci 23.6%, 156 level, you can go for buy. Okay, this is your first trading opportunity. This is the second trading opportunity, the Fibonacci level. And 155, if market bounces from the 155 level, Fibonacci 38.2% is your is your third trading opportunity. Okay, and I do not want to talk about the Fibonacci retracement, 50% retracement. Okay, so I just see three trading opportunities on the market right now. If you want to take risk, you can feel free to take risk, but beginners should avoid GBP JPY right now. So first trading opportunity is if market breaks the flag, starts trading above 157.75, then if you want to take the risk, yes, you can take the risk, better avoid. But on the other hand, if market comes down, bounces from the Fibonacci level of 23.6%, the price level of 156, you can go for buy. On the other hand, if market comes down and to the level of 155 and bounces from 155 level, you can go for buy, because this is the Fibonacci level of 38.2% retracement. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY for the day. Beginner, again I'm saying, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, my dear friends, my analysis may be wrong also, but it is your duty to protect your hard-earned money, hard-earned capital. So please use proper risk management and always use stop loss. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.